Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, you have to open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on this square button in the right corner. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. Of course, you can remove only one of it just by finding it and swiping it to the right, to the left, or just tapping on this X button. So let me show it to you. The X button, swipe to the right and to the left, and as you can see, you can close them manually. But if you have much more opened apps than I had, then you can just tap on this strange icon with 3 bars in order to remove all of them, in order to close them. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page. So let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent apps, so it means that we just successfully closed all background apps and processes. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.